So I'm Jon McCartney. Now I am part owner of 318 Construction and general manager. In 2019, we started the company and I was employee number one. So joined the ServPro system. ServPro is the largest mitigation company in the U.S. where if you have a fire, water loss, mitigation company comes in, mitigates that damage, does all the cleaning, deodorization, demolition, all the things, and they leave it in a destroyed state. And so 318 exists to come in and put those things back together. Like most folks, we were living in the world of spreadsheets, had spreadsheets for everything, tracking our customers, our leads, all the needs we could track at the time with spreadsheets. That lasted a few years. It became increasingly difficult to manage all of those jobs with spreadsheets. Quickbase for us does three main things. It manages our projects, it monitors our process, and then thirdly, it measures our KPIs. We can clearly see that Quickbase has allowed us to increase capacity. It takes fewer people than what you would imagine to run a significant construction operation. And so this past year, where I think we did $13 or so million in 3 states and 12 project managers, all the moving parts, I think we did 430 jobs. This past 430 closed jobs, which represented probably about 1,300 to 1,600 customers at some point last year. And we can manage that with about 2 office people because of Quickbase. It's saved us in personnel, and not just saving dollars in personnel, but it's increased the quality of life for our personnel. They're not stressed out. They're not wondering where all the moving parts are and where Mrs. Jones' file is at and where is she at in the job life cycle? Where are those job notes? Where's those dates? It's all right there. So short of creating 248 spreadsheets, you have one dashboard that aggregates all of that data and then splits it out amongst the people who need to see what they need to see when. When I think about how Quickbase has helped our customers directly, and so Quickbase allows us the visibility to say, okay, Ms. Smith just got her second invoice. Now it's time for someone who's not the project manager just to give her a call, see how things are going. And then if there's anything that needs to be communicated, they communicate that to the project manager. There are a lot of technology solutions out there, but none of those are going to be tailored to your unique process. If you have that process, then Quickbase can come in and give you a customized solution for that process.